Hello, this is Luigi Roa. Welcome to my channel. We are now going to how to make a MP4 or music video to convert to MP3, or you will make only a sounds only. You will not watch the video because we will convert it the music video like this. Go to the YouTube. You will search any music video that you want, Eminem, David Guetta, and you will go to share, then copy. After that, you will go to Google and you will type this one, YouTube converter to MP3, and you will click this one, YouTube to MP3 converter, and you will this one, YT MP3, and you will see convert next, and you already copy the link, then you will paste this one, and you must click this one, MP3, and convert. After that, you will see download, and you will click download, and here you will see David Guetta already downloading. That is 2 because I already downloaded before I try it, and there are 3 because I tested it a while ago. The video like this is already 1 hour, I think 1 hour and 5 minutes. It's already in the download. You click downloads and you see the video is already a mp3 file. Then you will click it and you see the sounds. There's no video. You can put in the cell phone, or you want it any music video, you can convert it through like that. Thank you for watching, and this is Luigi Raw Vlog. Have a nice day.